Honeygain is a company that pays you when you share your bandwidth connection with them. All you gotta do is grab a cup of coffee because no coffee, no worky, and that's what Baby Yoda said. You can see it right here. So I've got a big cup to make this video. So the idea of this video is to make not a biased tutorial or review. I've never used Honeygain. I know that people are making money with it, so I'll install it, I'll make sure I learn how it works. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also give me a like because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also I can give something back to you. If you comment your Instagram username, YouTube account or TikTok account in the description down below, take it, put it in the awesome jar and just shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. So since I have no idea what I'm doing, I just typed in Honeygain. I can see that, it started getting traction and momentum, and it's pretty famous during the pandemic. So it's probably a reason, a good way to make passive income, as they say, passive income effortlessly. Is this true? Let's see. So here it says with Honeygain, you can make money just for sharing internet. That seems really interesting to me. All I gotta do is click the download button. It will download at one point. And I'm clicking install and I just gotta log in. And it's gonna be even easier for Windows users because you don't have to download from the App Store. Okay, so somehow managed to log in on my iCloud account, which is a miracle on its own. They wanna use Touch ID, of course I wanna use Touch ID from now on. I don't wanna bother remembering the password. Now it's installing slowly, but actually not that slow. And we'll go ahead and open it. There are some terms of use which no one uses. I don't want to learn how it works. I just can click start and I should be able to make money. And here it is. So it's here. I'm not registered. It makes money and I can just log in and I can even click launch on startup and add it on my phone, I think, everywhere I can to make as much money as possible passively. So if you want to get a follow-up to the video how much money I've made from just putting Honeygain whenever I'm not on the computer, make sure you give this video a like because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also me and my team, we record up to 3 videos every single day, me and 2 video editors. So if you appreciate us, also subscribe to the channel because you gain tons of value. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out because this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Results can vary. Don't sue me, bros. Bye.